This is my quick review for the Cybervelo folding e-bike. A couple really nice features. You got the pedal assist. Let me show you some of the things we like about it, some of the speed tests, some of the ride tests, some of the different settings that you have on this e-bike. So first off, you have a lot of different settings that I want to show you here on the screen. You have just the different modes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as different power modes, but then you have another set of 3 power modes from Eco, Normal, and then Sport, I believe it. Yeah, Sport or Power, so it's called. But this is essentially the speed sport mode. And once you switch between those two, you can switch to the sport, and that gives it extra oomph in the beginning, like extra torque and extra speed. So I always leave it kind of in the sport mode, and that seems to be the best thing for me. Changing it is pretty simple. You just have to click that settings button until it clicks, and then you can go between those 2 higher settings from the Eco to the Normal to the Power mode. And then you can switch between the settings on each individual mode for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for pedal assist. Let me show you some of the speed test. Just finished the ride to the beach. I wanted to show you just some of the features. So up on the front, you got this screen that's really easy to push the buttons from the handlebars. You're able to adjust the modes from the different speed modes to the different torque modes and also the different pedal assist modes. So there's a few different things you can do there, and it's all accessible from your thumb right there, just like I'm showing you. If you have the right setting, you're good to go. The handlebars are good. You got a folding stem and a folding middle. It really makes it pretty small and pretty compact. Got a big back tire, big front tire. Got big guards, help it so you're not going to get all muddy. You got a Shimano gear system. We have a front basket on ours. You got good hydraulic brakes, which is huge for a big bike like this. We do have some rust because this is by the beach, but what are you going to do? And it still works perfectly fine. There's the throttle, so you can use the pedal assist or the throttle. Both of them work fine. Normally I like the throttle just because I don't like pushing the pedals. And again, this is the screen a little bit closer up. We have a ton of miles on this. More than 6,000 miles. Close to 7,000 miles now. Here's the big battery in the back. And it's super fun to ride. These are some clips of me riding around. And it's a really fun bike. It's a nice bike. It's got good ergonomics. It's a really fun bike to ride. It's got good ergonomics and it's easy to store, easy to transport with. So really good bike for that.